All right, everybody, welcome back to the Toast to Us YouTube channel. If you've been following the channel, you know that I am a tech guy. I'm a tech person. Right now, we're in the month of November 2020, and what they would call Techtober and Techtimber, but I guess we're in November now. But a lot of things have come out. A lot of things have happened. I don't know if you guys know or care, but the Galaxy Z Fold 2 came out. I was a big fan of the Galaxy Fold, the first one, but I didn't want to get the first one because I knew that it was going to be bug issues and a whole bunch of other stuff. So I was just waiting until they made the second one. Well, they made the second one. I pre-ordered it and actually got it when the pre-orders launched and when it came out in September. And that's actually the phone I'm recording on now is the Galaxy Z Fold 2, the Mystic Bronze color. But the front display had like a the phone was great. I'm gonna release a review on it. But the front display had like a pixel distortion issue. It wasn't big. It's just like a hairline pixel distortion across the front display, and I'm OCD, so that's gonna bother me staring at it. And I didn't get a replacement until now because I never noticed it because I always had my phone in dark mode, and obviously if it's in dark mode, the pixels are darker. But when I finally put it in light mode, I noticed there was a pixel distortion on the front. Very small, but like I said, I'm OCD, so it bothered me. So I got a replacement for free because it was a manufacturer issue. So now the replacement is here. I had to settle for the black one, the all black one, because they didn't have the Mystic Bronze one in stock. And I didn't feel like waiting any longer. It was almost going on a month since I originally asked for the replacement. So we're going to do a quick unboxing for the Galaxy Z Fold 2, the black version. I don't know the official name of it. I'm pretty sure it's not just black. I'm pretty sure they have some weird name for it. But as you can see, I got some accessories for it, some cases. This is like a wallet. It's not really a wallet case, but it's like a wallet style case. It covers it completely. That's the all black one. I have a navy blue one as well. That's what I just had on this phone that I'm using to record, and I just took it off. I watched a YouTube video, and I know they have screen protectors on the phone, but I wanted this thing is like a fingerprint magnet. If you guys have one, I'm pretty sure you know. So I got some matte finish, some matte screen protectors, so it'll stop the fingerprinting on the inside display. And like I said, if you have the phone or you've seen people reviewing the phone, it is a fingerprint magnet. So I got a matte screen protector for the outer display, the inside display, and on the back of the phone, and the hinge. I was really looking for some kind of protection for the hinge. The hinge is a fingerprint magnet too, so this has a hinge matte screen protector as well. So I'm putting that on there. I don't really care too much for this, but I got it just because it's what is this? This is a like the camera lens. It's like a tempered glass for the camera lens. Even though I don't think I won't have any issues with the camera lens getting damaged, but always to have and not need than to need and not have. You know, I got a couple other cases. I forget this brand, but it's a clear case. It fits pretty good. Just the front part, it's kind of loose, but it doesn't have adhesive on it. It's just non-slip grip, like some kind of grip on it, but it's not like sticky, if that makes sense. But I have that case. I have this. This one isn't bad. It's actually pretty slim. It fits on your phone. It's from VRS Design. I had this on there for a while too. I'm just, I'm OCD, so I have to switch my theme, wallpapers, cases. If you ask my wife, she knows. Like, I switch it like almost every week. So this case is pretty good. I actually only got 2 of these on accident. I ordered the Mystic Bronze color, but they sent me the black, and I was like, hey, can you send me the Mystic Bronze color? It's like, no. So, whatever. They sent me another one of these. So, I have 2 of these. No, that was just the case it came in. And I got a couple of these cases. These are... I like the back. The back is pretty cool design. Kind of like carbon fiber almost, but I hate this front case or protector because it's like too big. Like when I'm trying to press buttons on the side, it's just not happening. So like I said, I'm gonna try to make this video quick, and we'll go from there. Oh, that's the other one. So alright, I'm gonna open this real quick. And like I said, I'm recording on the Mystic Ron Z Fold, so just so you believe me, this is the original box for the one I'm recording with. But it's nothing in here. I'm gonna send this one back actually. And this should be, dang, they didn't even give me the great, you know, the great boxing for this one. It's just a regular Samsung box. And it's folded, it comes folded. You know, when you have the actual legit one from Samsung, it's the whole display. You know, you slide it out and it opens like a butterfly, you know, with everything in there. But whatever. As long as my device works and it's cool, I'm cool. Anyways, this is the Galaxy Z Fold 2. It's supposed to be all black. I don't know what kind of freaking contraption this is. And they sent me this Thom Browne. I don't even want this. They sent me this Thom Browne version. And it's a makeshift freaking, I don't know. I'm not even gonna use this. Yeah, I don't know. I mean, it's cool. The color is cool. I don't even know who Thom Browne is. I could care less. But I'm gonna have a D brand skin on here anyway, so I'm not even gonna see any of this crap. So I don't even care. But I mean, it's gray. It's kind of cool. I just don't care for this little part right here. But whatever. As long as the phone works. I'm gonna drop my information in, and I'm gonna give you guys a full review of it later. But this is just for unboxing. As you can see, like I said, this is the Thom Browne version. This is not what I requested, and that's not what they told me what was going to be sent to me. But whatever, it's a working phone. Like I said, it's going to be a D brand skin on here, so I'm not even going to see that. So I'm not even worried. Normally I would, you know, throw a little hissy fit, but I don't care. This is the power button and the, oh, where'd it go? And the fingerprint sensor, volume up and down rocker, the camera setup, triple cam. It has ultra wide, wide, and the zoom camera. I'm pretty sure that's not the right word. Speaker grill up top, speaker grill at the bottom. They're both functional, so it's not like a fake speaker grill that has no sound coming out. It actually has sound coming out both ends. That's the USB type C charging port. I think that's the microphone, and the I think that's another microphone, or just the speaker for the for when you're taking a phone call. But yeah, this is a Galaxy Z Fold 2. I'm gonna fold it for you guys. I love technology, so this folding part is great to me. But like I said, all this screen protector right here, that's coming off. This is coming off. This will be covered, so I'm trying to make it my own. But yeah, that's the unboxing. If you got any questions on this phone that I didn't cover in this, like I said, it's just an unboxing, feel free to drop a comment. Let me know. I'm gonna put the matte screen protector on here so I don't get all these fingerprints, and put some cases and stuff on it. But yeah, that's it. Catch y'all in the next video. See ya.